Hey everybody. Probably one of the most commonly searched topics about OneDrive and Windows 10 is how to remove it or uninstall it or disable it. And you'll find, when you search for this on Google or whatnot, you'll find articles about OneDrive Windows 10 saying that it cannot be removed as it's part of Windows 10. And of course, people be saying things like, if you remove OneDrive from Windows 10 may not function properly, just stuff like that. Well, I'm going to be honest with you. I think that's more of a myth. Because in a clean install of Windows 10, OneDrive is not there yet. It's not there yet. Here we have this Dell laptop that has a clean install of Windows 10 1803. And we're going to see if OneDrive is there upon the initial first startup. We'll run through the out-of-box experience and all that good stuff. One thing you'll notice is that it'll be missing from Windows Explorer. The OneDrive shortcut on the left. It'll be missing from there. And the actual program won't be installed just yet. So let's go ahead and run through this and we'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. And always disconnect your internet when you're in out-of-box experience. That way it won't nag you to death to use a Microsoft account. Nope. No internet yet. Type in the client's name. Don't get so excited, Cortana. I'm not going to use you. Okay, first sign in. Let's get rid of Cortana. We don't need her taking up half the taskbar. Now, one thing you'll notice right away, there's no little cloud here in the system tray. And if we go into Explorer, there's no shortcut for OneDrive here or here. And if we run it through, the installed programs, we do have a shortcut for OneDrive. Okay, it's actually installing right now. It installs upon setup of Windows 10 out of box. See, if we look carefully, there's Microsoft OneDrive. Now, depending on the speed of your computer, it may go right away or it may take a little bit, but a lot of times you will see a process in here for OneDrive setup. Okay, the cloud is there now. So I'm going to go into settings. Uncheck this to say when the latest version yet. You have to go online and download the latest version. So, initially, there is no OneDrive in Windows 10. It actually runs and installs after you do your first login from out-of-box experience. And it is here. Or eventually what it will do is it'll eventually put its pesky little shortcuts in, like for example right there, see there and there, whether you care to use it or not. Now there is actually a registry fix you can run that will get rid of this one, but this one up here will still remain. If you click it, it just takes you here, and of course it launches OneDrive. So I'm going to go ahead and exit it again. Now we're going to Control Panel. And of course, there it is. Now, to be honest, if OneDrive was an integral feature of Windows 10 that could not be uninstalled, then why is it then programmed as features? I think under the very first Windows 10 build this wasn't the case, but ever since the second build, I do believe it does show up as a program in your programs and features. And once you uninstall it, it's like, oh great, it's off your computer, but it will eventually reinstall itself. And you're just left with the mess it left behind here and here. So really the best way to get OneDrive, let's see, to stop OneDrive from annoying the crap out of you and being in the way, is to just do what I did initially, which is where you right click on the menu, go into settings, untick start OneDrive with Windows, and after that you choose close OneDrive. I think that's the best way to stop it from running all the time. So, I know this is kind of random, but it comes to show that those myths about OneDrive being an integral part of Windows 10, acting like it's a support, like let's say acting like it's one of the supports of the bridge, is just simply false. You don't have to have OneDrive there for Windows 10 to work. So, yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.